The storm really changed this forest.
Looks messy, but we can fix it.
The forest needs our help.
Let's start clearing the path.
Heavy stuff is my job!
Slow and steady.
We're doing great together.
Order makes things easier. Life is coming back.
The forest is breathing again.
Together now!
Balance is restored.
This path is safe again.
Every life matters. Not bad for one day.
The forest looks happier.
Nature thanks us quietly.
Helping feels good.
They're coming back.
The forest heals.
We made a difference.
Let's protect it.
Always. Always.
Same team. Next time too.
The forest lives us on. Oh, I smell something interesting. Something earthy and tasty. That must be mushrooms, dog. And maybe we can find some other things too.
This forest is old and generous. Let's walk carefully.
Mushrooms like shade and moisture. Look! Oh, nice find. Then we're in the right place. Remember, only pick the good ones. Wait, here, I smell them. You found them. Here, I found them. These are perfect mushrooms. Whoa, hi.
Nature provides when we pay attention.
We pick gently, like this. Oh. And we leave some behind to grow.
That keeps the forest healthy.
We take only what we need. Oh. This is the best walk ever. Look at that giant tree. Isn't it amazing?
Indeed, it's a magnificent example of the ancient forest.
We're learning so much today.
Working together makes the journey easy.
Look, our basket is getting full.
Oh, dinner will be great tonight. Right.
And we did it together.
Respect nature, and it will always welcome you.
Next time, we'll explore another trail. I'll sniff even faster next time. A good day in the forest. Wow, I've never seen a forest like this before. Everything is red. It feels like a different world.
This forest is old. We must explore with respect.
Let's go in carefully. Yeah, come on. Oh, wow. The trees feel warm, not dangerous. I wonder what secrets this forest hides.
Every forest has stories. We listen as we walk.
Even the leaves are red. This place is amazing. Look, the butterflies match the forest.
Nature changes colors, but its heart stays the same.
Let's keep going. Chuff. I think there's more ahead. Uh-oh, the path is blocked. We can go around, or move it carefully.
Slow strength is better than quick force.
That was perfect! You did it! This forest feels like it wants us to keep exploring. Yeah, it does. I think we're close to something special. I feel calm here, like the forest is welcoming us. This must be the heart of the Red Forest.
The forest shows itself to those who are kind.
I'll never forget this adventure. Exploring together makes everything special.
Friendship is the greatest discovery of all.
Goodbye, Red Forest. Thank you. Explore with curiosity. Walk with kindness. Are you sure it's real? A glowing golden tree. The legends say it's hidden deep in this forest.
This forest remembers many ancient secrets.
I'll search from above. Okay. Look ahead. Over there. The map says the tree shines even in darkness. These markings are very old, older than me. Wow. Really? Whoa! Squawk! Wait, do you see that sparkle? It's glowing, just like the story.
Wow. Whoa.
We're getting close.
The tree only reveals itself to kind hearts.
Whoa! I can feel the light. It's beautiful. Wow. So this is the ancient golden tree.
It does not give gold. It gives hope.
So we don't take it. We protect it. It's not meant to be taken. Then we'll keep its secrets safe. That is the greatest treasure. Let's remember this place, T, and leave it untouched. We found it, and we didn't lose it. Some treasures stay where they belong.
And those are the most powerful ones.
Next adventure tomorrow? We'll keep your secret. A glowing tree and a bright day. Good morning, dog. You found the river already?
The river is calm today. That is a good sign.
Fish! Fish everywhere! Winter will come soon. We need food ready.
Ooh. Preparing early keeps us safe and warm.
No fish in winter? That sounds sad. Don't worry, we'll find some other food. That's why we catch fish together today. We work as a team. I guide, dog splashes, dinosaur blocks. I'm fast. I can splash and push the fish to the shallow side. I will block the deep water gently so the fish do not swim back. Thank you. Let's do this carefully and kindly. Splash! 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 Fishy, fishy!
Good. They are moving the right way.
Slow and gentle. Now. I got one. I helped! Helped!
Teamwork makes this easy.
We'll store them safely. This will help us in winter.
Winter won't scare us now.
Yeah.
We'll be ready.
Because we planned ahead.
Working together makes everything better. And more fun. Yeah.
Sharing work, sharing food, and sharing time. That's how we stay strong.
I understand. Teamwork today, warmth tomorrow. What's wrong, Bird? You look worried. Let's slow down and listen.
Let's slow down and listen.
Okay, team, let's find your home.
I hope my home is safe. We won't give up.
Oh no! Oh no! I can't find my home!
My nest was here, but now it's gone. Maybe it fell, or maybe it's nearby. We'll look.
We can help you search.
Many trees mean many possibilities. Wow, this one isn't mine. That's okay. We're getting closer.
Sometimes finding home takes patience.
That feather. It's from my nest. Look up there. Chum, chum, chirp, chirp.
That branch looks strong.
Oh, I know this. This is my nest. You found it. You're home. I'm home. Thank you much. Thank you so much. We're happy to help. C'est moi ça. Yeah.
Home is where you feel safe. Now everything feels right again.
Mission complete. Bye. Come visit anytime. Bye. Helping others makes the world feel like home.